Today we're talking about mobile wallets versus hardware wallets. Guys, I'm super excited about this, all right? After this disclaimer, I'm not a financial, I do this for education purposes only. Let's get straight into this and have some fun. So jumping over to CasperSky.com, hit the links down below. How safe are e-wallets? All right, we're talking about mobile wallets. So what are e-wallets? Think of e-wallets as electronic versions of physical wallets. Instead of carrying around wallet stuff with credit card and debit cards, instead you store your e-wallet on your smartphone. So it's like a physical wallet and capable of storing a number of different debit or credit cards. When you're ready to make a purchase, you simply wave your phone over the payment terminal. The purchase is made. There's no need for handing your clerk a card or inserting a card into a terminal. The payment is quicker, contactless, and more convenient if you choose to store more than one card in your e-wallet. You can actually select one as the primary or easily switch to another. Aside from enabling quick and convenient payments, another benefit of using e-wallet allows you to store the information of several cards. Okay, this eliminates the need to carry on many different cards, such as store cards, loyalty cards, some e-wallets. Some even let you store coupons. So guys, talking about the threats, the largest threats in transmission of data across mobile networks that may be lacking in security. If proper security is not in place, hackers can hijack the payment information, okay, being transmitted. However, most e-wallets utilize some form of encryption, so this threat is often minimal. Please avoid using public Wi-Fi to not expose your data. The biggest threat may actually be the loss or theft of your phone. If you haven't locked your phone or your digital wallet, then a thief can easily access the information and make a number of purchases, or even withdraw money from your bank account before you have time to act. That brings us on to eWallet. Now, eWallet is a powerful and easy to use cryptocurrency. You can get it in the App Store, you can get it in any store that you've got, and it allows users to easily control their own private keys with the familiarity and ease of mobile banking. Okay, it's incredible. Take control of your phones with Edge, and you have access to your phone's transactions data. Neither Edge nor any third party can access your money or data. You can get financial privacy and autonomy that the blockchain was designed for with the ease of use a grandma could handle. Guys, it's really incredible. Get on this app store right now. Okay, zero knowledge and zero access to user funds, keys, transactions data by Edge or third parties. Simple account creation, all right, super easy to make an account on here. There's no printing PDFs, no writing down passphrases, adding encryption settings, things like that. Biometrics, Touch ID, Face ID login, hierarchical deterministic wallets, okay, and it's the decentralized server. Guys, this is incredible. Get over here, Edge, crypto, and Bitcoin wallet, and get involved now. There you have it, guys. Super excited. If you love this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.